Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about tides, the different type of tides, and what tides even are. First of all, tides are the regular rise and fall of ocean water levels on the Earth's coast. And they happen twice a day due to gravitational pull of the Earth, sun, and moon. Now, there are two different types of tides. The first one are daily tides. These tides are the regular rise and fall of the ocean water levels on the Earth's coast. They happen twice a day. One of the tide is a low tide, and the other tide is a high tide. Next are spring and neap tides. Twice a month, there are neap tides and spring tides. Spring tides are the extreme tides, like the higher or lower than usual tides, and neap tides are the opposite. They're in extreme tides, like the closer ones to the daily tides. Now let's go over spring tides in depth. Twice a month, there are spring tides, which are extreme tides that are a lot higher or a lot lower than usual tides. So, spring tides are caused by the gravitational pull of a straight line between the sun, moon, and earth. The sun, moon, and earth create a straight line during this tide and have a very strong gravitational pull. This tide occurs during full or new moons. So, a way to remember spring tides is to use the three S's: spring for spring tide, so that's one S, strong for strong gravitational pull, that's another S, and then the other S is straight for straight line. So, those are the three S's, and that's a way to remember. Now let's go in depth over the neap tides. So neap tides happen twice a month, and they're in extreme tides that are closer to daily tides. They just have a little bit of difference than the normal daily high and low tides. And neap tides are caused by the gravitational pull of a 90-degree angle between the sun, moon, and earth. The sun, moon, and earth are in a right angle during this tide and have a weak gravitational pull. This tide occurs during the first and third quarter moons, so twice a month. And a way to remember is by 90 for 90 degrees, neap for neap tides, and not strong for the weak gravitational pull. Those are the three ends, and that's a way to remember. Now that we've gone over the lesson, let's see if you can solve some questions. What type of tide forms at 90 degrees? How many tides are there per day? And are spring tides strong or weak? Let's see if you can answer those questions. So pause the video and try to answer them. Now that you've paused the video, let's see if you got your answers correct. So here are the answers. What type of tide forms at 90 degrees? A neap tide forms at 90 degrees. How many tides are there per day? There are 2 tides per day. And are spring tides strong or weak? Spring tides are strong because they have a strong gravitational force and only happen during the new moon or full moon during a straight line. Thank you for watching. Take a step ahead and make sure to subscribe to this channel if this video helped. And please let me know in the comments if you would like any other videos or any suggestions or topics you would like to be taught. Thank you and bye.